Niate Arutwo a cukuru wa mathomo ma urigitari nigwo Kmtc kuma kuri mwena wa Pokot ya ithuero nikorirwo ikigashira wega riu na mieke ya mawira kuma kuri thirikari ya kaunti no wona marikia mathomo mao undu uria ukinyaniirio ni utongoria wa cukuru uyu gwikanirira girimiti na thirikari ya kaunti na Simon Kachapin uria ni governor wa kaunti ino nekirite ndeto ino mukode akiuga ikinya riri ni guteithiriria na njira nene ari ukorwo makinyihia namba ya aria matari na mawira makiria thiini wa kaunti ino.
Madhumuni kubwa ya sisi kuja ni kutafuta mbinu za ushirikiano baina ya county government ya West Pokot na Kenya Medical Training College kwa ujumla, hasa kwa madhumuni ya kukuza campus hii ya Kapenguria, kwa sababu tukishirikiana vizuri tunaweza kuiendeleza pakubwa.
We are going to partner well. We are going to improve our Kmtc Kapenguria campus. We've seen that it is the second largest in Kenya, because we have like 1,200 students, among the best, among the highly populated. So there are issues of classrooms, there are issues of teaching staff, lecturers. There are so many issues that they were discussed, and the CEO has assured the county government, and to be very specifically to His Excellency the Governor of West Pokot, that they are going to improve, they are going to work to employment and even students, and even increasing more courses in West Pokot County.
Na tukagicokeria ngatho thirikari ya kuma kuria Pokot ya ithuero